Yeah, Damien, I saw that. Bitcoin was at a double top. I saw that. Yep, good call. Nice job, everybody. If you guys are trading futures, same thing here, SPY and futures. Watch this 585 level. For ES, it's 5909. Be careful of this range, okay? You guys can see another micro double top right here. See this one? Watch for pullback right off of that level. MSTR coming down to VWAP. See if this can hold. Now, you got all jammed up right here. All of this is jammed. You've got the EMA, the 9, the 21, and VWAP all sitting right there, which tells me if you get a bounce off of VWAP and you break the 9, you guys will make new highs. If not, if this breaks below the 21, we're coming back down to here, which should be support around 342, well, 343. See it? So we want to see a bounce on MSTR right here. So those of you that are trying to quick scalp this, you'll have your stop just below the 21, not VWAP, just below 21 on MSTR. Catching the scalp bounce should be to the upside. Does everybody hear the sound of my voice today? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, coach.
Okay, thank you. That's nice. Q's double top pullback here now. SPY's consolidating on this double top.
AMD is pulling hard.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Let's take a peek. Oh, yeah, AMD. Now, AMD just broke pre-market low and closed the day yesterday. So AMD is now officially red. You guys see it? Soxel is up 2.8% for small accounts. Intel's fighting. NVIDIA, same thing. NVIDIA's choppy chop right here. Microsoft, same thing. Choppy chop. Market is chop right here. Choppy chop. Careful on MSTR. Already told you guys, if you break down below this 345.50, right, it's going to be lights out back down to 343. You're sitting on the 21, literally on the 21 here. The buck stops right there on MSTR. Everybody see that? Come back just a second to this. Riot respecting the 21. Let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still pulling back on the 21 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to hold here. Same with SPY. Remember, they're going to be identical. SPY's bleeding out. Careful, SPY just broke below VWAP. Let me pull it up on the big screen.
Looks like Boeing is crashing out, and it'll affect the Dow Jones, which is tethered to SPY.
Thank you. Yeah, gonna watch here and see if it bounces. See if SPY bounces off that 200.